What's up, YouTube? We forgot a few parts. I had it tucked away in bags while I took the truck apart. Yeah, so we sanding them today. Got the little door things to go on the doors that blocks the hots and screws on the inside of the doors, and the sanding the glove box and the ashtray. But I'm about done with it. But we're gonna get it done. See how it comes out. So I can spray some epoxy and 2K on it. And here we go. That's what it turns out like that. We'll clean it up a little bit more, get the back, we'll be good to go. Yes, so we're doing that today, and today, right here, and right there. Gotta put some 2K back on that. I'm gonna 2K these. Put seam sealer around it, start seam sealing the cab up. I'm gonna put some sound matting down, put the insulation down, and I'm gonna cover with plastic. So I'm gonna get some of that out the way. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And then I'm show y'all what else I done done. I mean, that might not look like much, but I think it turned out pretty good. I got under this truck the other day and I cleaned all of it. See how I cleaned it all. I'm gonna shoot it in epoxy underneath the cab. I'm gonna spray it. Just I'm gonna shoot a Charlotte black with some good paint. And then look good. I'm gonna do the bottom of the bed too. I started on some of it. Yeah. But yeah. We're gonna make it look pretty. And so we can say it's pretty underneath too. So that's what we're gonna do. Hey, this is your boy Big Fish, 8473. Hit the like button and subscribe. Hey, yeah, I was gray, so I had to do something. My daughter said, "Daddy, you gotta do something. We can't have that." So I put the color in it. But anyway, that's what I did. But we appreciate y'all. And Most High bless you, yours for me and mine. See y'all.